It was the consistency I enjoyed, not the taste.
Yes. Okay, well this was my staple diet at Christian Brothers Bondi. Sausage roll on a roll.
Was that a recess or a...
Now it's lunch.
Lunch.
Thank you. Chelsea bun was recess, which I've got here. Sausage roll on a roll. Look, it's been debated. I think I started this, but
here we go. He's come up with sayings. He's creating things, and
It's pretty good. Oh, that.
I've never had that. I've heard people talk about it. I've never had it, and also a pie on a roll.
I never did.
No. I get that.
Oh yeah, Devon rolled up. Yeah, that was it. That was a go-to after school. Rush home. It was around the twist.
Oh yeah,
Then
good show.
Degrassi High.
Yep.
And then Inspector Gadget.
And then you'd hear Peter Russell Clark come on, and you had to go to bed.
That's right. This was the key though. You used to do this, and if you got a little bit funky, you could add a little bit of cheddar cheese.
Delicious.
My wife is a only child. She was quite spoilt as a child. Would never have Devon sandwiches.
Fillet steak, maybe.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Put it this way: at Christmas this year we had caviar.
What?
Yeah, she bought caviar and creme fraiche. Definitely not Devon. It's a scallop, potato scallop.
My wife's Victorian, and she calls them potato cakes. Doesn't understand why they're called scallops.
I did have these after you'd go for a serve in winter. Nothing better. You'd have to go to Ben's Barnyard Chicken next door to pinch Ben's chicken salt. Try that.
This was before footy training. This was a scallop down at the Valley Spot in Moss Vale. 25 cents each.
I think mine was 10 cents.
Yeah, but you're 50 now.
Burger rings. Get them before they get you.
Burger rings. These were in everyone's lunchbox at recess in primary school. Look at that. You know you love a burger ring too.
do.
But remember back in the day, you used to get them all on your fingers.
Yeah.
And you just sit there and... Oh, this was pocket money. So this wasn't it was a treat. So every Friday we get our pocket money. So I think it was 50 cents back then. So just a heap of custard. I love custard. Couldn't drink milk as a kid, so this is the only way I got calcium in. Oh, you're a fool if you thought that was bad snack.
No, it was Vegemite. Salada was Vegemite.
I still eat those today.
I know.
And squeeze it.
I don't know why I didn't like it. Maybe because it used to get soggy at school. Yeah, this is
good. Good when you're hungover as well. One of the things I hated, that I can see it there. So these things. So this was recess
jelly.
Inside an orange, but what they would do, you can gut an orange and make it clean. You know what I mean? Like do it properly. But every time we had them, it was like they were being chewed on by a rat. Like there's all still orange in there.
Did you pay for that? Or was it?
Yeah, you paid for them at recess. So they'd be sitting here like this. The taste was fine, the jelly was fine. It was the fact that they'd looked like they'd been given to a footy team at half time.
Oh, and
sucked out. Yeah.
Aeroplane jelly?
Only the best. We had canteen once a month at Robbo Primary.
Once a month?
Once a month.
Oh, yeah.
And if it rained, all you had was a soup option. Can't stand the packet chicken noodle soup. If it was canteen day and it was raining, which it generally was down home, the only option for recess was chicken noodle soup. I'm getting better. Like I can drink soup. Do you drink soup? Eat soup.
I love it. It reminds me of being sick at home.
I think that's what it could be. That and flat lemonade. So.
Jeez, that's hot. Oh, wow.
Thank you.
Snack pack. Snack back.
Snack back.
Oh, that's it. Snack back.